Hey there, today let's talk about a game changer in safety, the WatchGas PDM single gas detector. Imagine working in a hazardous environment and having a reliable buddy that keeps you safe without any fuss. That's what the PDM is, your daily monitor for O2, CO, H2S, SO2, NH3, H2 or NO2. Why is it outstanding? For starters, it's totally maintenance free for up to 2 years. Just turn it on and it runs continuously. No need for battery charging or sensor replacements. That means you get great reliability and zero downtime. It's super easy to use and clips securely onto your shirt, belt or helmet thanks to its strong metal clip. And if you need to check data or perform calibrations, it's compatible with the WatchGas docking station and IR link. You can even calibrate 4 devices simultaneously, reducing downtime and saving on gas consumption. The PDM's compact and lightweight design fits right into your workflow, whether you're in storage, installation companies, the chemical industry, or even food and beverages. With an IP67 rating, it's built to withstand tough environments. Plus, it stores up to 30 events for those critical moments. Now, let's talk about cost effectiveness. The PDM eliminates recurring expenses for battery replacements and sensor calibrations, making it the most budget-friendly safety solution out there. Simplify safety, minimize costs. So, if you're looking for uninterrupted safety, look no further. Head over to 7solutions.co.uk to learn more and ensure your safety with the PDM single gas detector today. Stay safe out there.